hope you are doing well and that you and your loved ones are safe. Today we're opening up Test Tube Beauty for March and April. So I think Test Tube Beauty by New Beauty. It's kind of confusing, but it's a beauty subscription. It's mostly skincare, but you can get stuff like makeup items sometimes hair items. But ultimately, I think it's one of the best skincare boxes. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, meaning you get it every other month, and it costs $29.95, but you also pay shipping. And the shipping is kind of expensive. I looked at my statement, my credit card statement, I think it came out to be like $41 with shipping and taxes, so they'll vary a little bit based on where you live. But I will link TestTube down below if you guys are interested in signing up. Every month you get at least $180 in value. So today we're going to be opening up our current box, and then at the end of the video I will review last 2 months ago, I should say, that box. So yeah, it always comes in this cute tube. It's different every time. I really like the blues and greens this time a lot. Some of the items came outside of the box, so I will start with those. Before I forget, I do have a giveaway ending super soon, so if you have not yet entered, check that out after the video. That will be linked down below as well. But this came in a like brown box, and there's some items outside as well as a little pamphlet. So it looks like the theme for March is a fresh start. It says, welcome to the March test tube. It's spring and there's no better time to recharge, refresh, and reboot. And we're excited to share an amazing product lineup that lets you do just that. And then it goes into the items, and I really like the handout that they give us because it talks about the items, tells you how to use it, gives editor's feedback, key ingredients, and expert insight. And a lot of these items also do have a coupon code in the bottom, so if there's anything you're interested in, let me know and I could share that with you. So let's get started. The first thing that was outside of the box is by Oralgen New Pearl 32X Perfecting Whitening Pen, and this is for sensitive teeth. I definitely have sensitive teeth. I have a hard time using like crushed white strips and stuff like that. Like after 2 days, it just really irritates my teeth. So I hope this works. It says 100% peroxide free. It whitens up to 8 shades in 1 week. Clinically proven and patented technology, over 99% natural ingredients. There's no fluoride, sulfates, GMOs, no gluten, no artificial colors or flavors. So to use this, you just twist the pen until the gel is visible and apply a thin layer of gel on the teeth. You smile for 30 seconds and then rinse after 10 to 20 minutes. And you can use this daily as needed. And it says for 1 hour after treatment, avoid eating, drinking, and tobacco use. So let's see how much this is. I'm excited to try that out. I could definitely use some whitening, like with me and my coffee and wine habit. Definitely could use that. So this whitening pen is $19.95. The next items that were outside the box, remaining items that were outside, are 2 items by Vagisil. These are V-friendly bath bombs. So they're sensitive scents. One's in peach blossom and one's in white jasmine. And it says fizzes for a relaxing all body experience. One is made with chamomile and the other vitamin E. They smell really good. Like right when I opened up the box, I could smell them. So I have heard that sometimes people who take baths, women particularly, they can get irritated down there. So these are supposed to be friendly for your V. And you can get these on Amazon, it says, for $3.99 each. And they smell great, so I don't really get sensitive like that when I take baths, but I think that's great that they are safe for that for people who do. Now let's open up the tube. Well, it is packed full. So let's start with the very first item. Is by Daily Concepts. It's a multifunctional soap sponge mother of pearl. So it's, you just use this as a soap, but oh, so there's a sponge attached to the soap. So it's like a sponge and a soap in one. You can get this at Ulta and it is $5. So a multifunctional soap meets sponge infused with a luxurious brightening ingredient, mother of pearl. So mother of pearl is supposed to brighten and clarify your skin. It smells like nice and fresh. Next up we have something by Wish. This is the Wish Renewing Mud Mask with Bakuchiol. I don't know this ingredient. B-A-K-U-C-H-I-O-L. You can see it on there. So it says, introducing our renewing mud mask, just a thin layer, less than a minute, and circular rub provides a gentle resurfacing exfoliation to reveal smoother, softer, and more youthful looking skin. Oh, hello there, gorgeous, we missed you. So this mask, whoa, this mask is $48. That's expensive. So an ultra luxurious anti-aging mask that gently exfoliates and purifies for radiant skin. And you just put a thin layer over your face, leave it on for 15 seconds, and then slowly work up to 2 minutes. You can use it 1 to 2 times per week. And oh, it talks about that ingredient I don't know how to pronounce. It's a 100% natural substitution for retinol. Oh cool, organic rose, hip oil, kaolin, and mica are also in there. Next we have something, I've actually gotten this before, but I think I gave it away and I have not actually tried it. It's by Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So it's a patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. There's 3 treatments in here. So I think there's little pads that you rub over your face. Let's see what it tells you. So it doesn't have a price on here. It says you can get this at Sephora though. And it says once a day, apply step 1 onto clean, dry skin using circular motions all over the face, neck, and décolleté until the pad feels dry. Wait 2 minutes, then repeat with step 2. Oh, so there's 2, oh yeah, it says patented 2-step peel. So cool. So I will have to actually try it this time. Pretty sure I don't have this anymore, but let's move on to the next item. Oh wow, this is by Daily Dose, the Miracle Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Look how shiny this is. It says it makes hair manageable, moisturizes and nourishes, softens and strengthens, non-greasy, adds shine, eliminates frizz, prevents breakage, repairs, detangles, and protects color. So you just spray this onto clean, towel-dried hair and comb through, and you get a lot of product in here. There's 8.5 fluid ounces, and it says this is $17.99. So I have a lot of leave-in conditioners right now, so I don't know when I will get to this, but it's nice that they included it. Cute packaging. So we have 2 more items. The next is by Avant. This brand is super bougie and expensive. This is their Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. I have not tried this product. I've tried a primer of theirs as well as an overnight sleeping mask. Yeah, this is $114. That's crazy, but I do like their product that I've tried, but I can't imagine ever spending that. So this is an antioxidant-rich exfoliant that helps contribute to a smoother, softer, and more hydrated complexion, all while prepping the skin for better ingredient penetration. So you apply it to clean skin and gently exfoliate in upward circular motions and pat dry. The star ingredient of rose helps smooth and heal skin, while vitamin B5 keeps it hydrated. Yeah, so you only get 50 milliliters or like 1.69 fluid ounces for $114. Like, I'm excited to try it, but didn't we get another exfoliator too? Yeah. But I guess they talk about like renewing, like refreshing your skin. So. And then the last item here, this is by Piper Way, Activated Charcoal Deodorant. Oh, this is different. Natural, aluminum-free, gender-neutral, essential oil scent for sensitive skin. So it's like, yeah, it's like not a bar. So you scoop out a pea-sized amount of deodorant and use your fingers to rub it into your underarms until completely clear, covering the entire area. You're supposed to apply it as needed, and you can reapply after bathing or exercise. The key ingredient is Piper Way, which is activated charcoal, which neutralizes odor and absorbs moisture without aluminum, parabens, or synthetic fragrances. Now this is interesting. This is $11.99. And the editor says, after a couple days of using this product, I realized I was using about half the amount I would normally of traditional deodorant. Have you guys ever tried deodorant like this? I haven't, so that's interesting. I feel like testtube always gives us like different types of products I've never tried before, like this. So yeah, that is everything. So the total value for the March and April tube is $234, which is a lot and a great value, but when you think about it, like this one product is about half of that. So I don't think this was the most exciting box in the world. I'm most excited about using the teeth whitener probably. I really hope it doesn't make my teeth feel uncomfortable, but like it says it's for sensitive teeth, so hopefully it doesn't, like they say. What else am I excited about? I guess the exfoliants, you know, but yeah, the deodorant's interesting. I guess I'll try that out and let you guys know in my next review. But yeah, this is definitely not my favorite at all. But I think I did get my money's worth, and I'm excited to try some of the products. But you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, what you think and what you think the best product was in this tube. But now let's talk about last tube, the last test tube. I have some of the items in front of me. I just wrote them down so I could remember when I rewatched my video the other day. So we got some sheet masks by Soon. I think there was a pack of 3. They're like collagen boosting sheet masks, and I did really like those. I've tried Soon face masks a few times now, and I think they are a great skincare brand. The most exciting thing from last tube was a butt mask, so I did try it. So the butt mask had like 2 different sides, so you had to place one on each cheek. When I first got it, I was afraid it wouldn't fit. I'm like, how can this fit all butts? But since there's 2 different like cheek pads, you can get it on. It was kind of hard to apply myself on my butt, and then you can't like just walk around, so I was like laying weird like on my bed, just on my stomach for like 10 to 15 minutes. I think it did like make the skin on my butt better, but I don't know, overall I think you'd have to like keep using them. We only got 1 pack of the 2 butt masks, but yeah, it was an interesting experience. It was funny. I think they sell them at like Ulta or Sephora for a few bucks. Might be worth a shot if you're at home doing self-care during this whole thing and going on in the world anyway. So yeah, that was it was fun to try, but I don't know if it was like life-changing. But again, I can't really see the skin on my butt, so it did feel better though. I don't know. Let's move on. So the next item is an SPF that is good for sweating. I'm literally like sweating right now. Sorry if you guys can tell. Let me look. I mean, I have lipstick all over my teeth. I really hope I did not have that the whole time. Oh, I'm such a mess today. But anyways, we had this moisturizer that has SPF in it that's supposed to be sweat proof, and I was about to say I live in Florida and I sweat a lot. Like even right now it's like 85 out. Even when I'm not outside, it's still like hot inside, and I still like to wear SPF every day, so I have been enjoying this. Sometimes I feel like I do need an extra moisturizer like underneath it, but if you have like oily skin, I don't think you'll need an extra moisturizer. But yeah, I like this and I will continue using that. And then I have this in my bathroom, but we got some toothpaste and a toothbrush. I've actually been using that toothbrush since I filmed that video, so it's probably time for me to like refresh and use another toothbrush, but I did really like it. The toothpaste is fine. There's like, instead of 2 toothpaste, like one was like a whitening agent, one was like the cleanser, so you just like put both a pea-sized amount in your toothbrush of both. So yeah, that was fine. I used it. Still using the toothbrush like I said. No complaints there. And then we have Retinol Serum. This is by Naturally Good For You. Beauty Has No Age. So I use this like every couple of days. I only started using it like a week and a half ago because I just had something else open. So far so good. I think my skin's been pretty good lately. I just had my periods, so I have some like hormonal breakouts around my mouth, but like otherwise, not too bad. And then we have a texture spray here. So I've been using this spray since I started curling my hair. In some recent videos you might have seen that. And this texture spray does help I spray it before and after I curl my hair, and it helps my curls stay in place because I have dead straight hair. Like I just got out of the shower, so my hair is just like this without straightening it. So sometimes it's really hard to hold a curl, but I find texturizing spray does help. And this is by Renee Fertier Paris, if I'm saying that correct. So it's just a smaller size, but I've been using it and I don't need it like all the time because I usually just curl my hair now in like 2nd or 3rd day hair. So I'll continue using that till it is done. Then we got a nail polish, which I have not used. I usually get dip nails done, but you know, with everything going on, I'm trying not to leave my house and stuff like that, so I'm giving my nails a break. I think I actually listed that nail polish on my Mercari store, which I linked down below if you guys are interested. No pressure to look at, but that's there. And the last item I actually just used today after I showered. This is the Premium Pore White Cake Pack Brightening and Cooling Effect. So this is just a face mask supposed to soothe, glow, and exfoliate, and it has a cooling effect like it says, and that felt really nice. I was really hot today. I'm hot every day here, so I wore the mask for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I feel like it did smooth out my pores a little bit and made my skin look a little bit brighter. So I do like this, and I will continue to use it. So overall, I feel like I got my value worth last box, so we will see how this month goes. I will definitely update you and review it at the end of the video in 2 months. But anyways, that's it for today. Hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry if my energy's a little low. You know, like my anxiety's been, I bet all of our anxiety is kind of off the roof lately with everything going on, but I really do hope you guys are well. I love you so much and I appreciate you more than you know. Stay safe out there, stay home, wash your hands. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.